Would you believe me if I told you that XRP Ripple could go up to $456? Even though it sounds crazy, that's a 76,000% rise. This idea is being talked about by experts all over the world, and there's a big reason for the excitement. The end of the court case between Ripple and the SEC. Things look like they've finally turned out well after a long wait. Do not miss a single second. You'll be amazed by that movie. Nota bene. XRP Ripple's price is unstable right now because of the doubt surrounding a possible SEC appeal. As the time to file an appeal with the SEC draws near, XRP is trading close to 60 cents, a price that shows how volatile the cryptocurrency market is as a whole. There has been a lot of upheaval in the crypto world lately, but the stakes are especially high for Ripple right now as it deals with the fallout from a big court case. The ups and downs of XRP's price remind me of the early days of tech giants like Google. Brian Brooks, who used to be CEO of Bitfury, made an interesting point when he said that the price changes of XRP are like the early changes in Google's stock. In the world of money, his point brings up an important truth. Price changes in the short term don't always show what an asset is worth in the long run. In the same way that Google's early swings didn't stop it from becoming one of the most valuable companies, XRP's present swings could be seen as sign of growth rather than instability. Right now, there is a lot of doubt because the SEC might appeal the recent decisions in the Ripple case. On August 7th, Judge Annalisa Torres issued a final judgment that included a $125 million fine for Ripple. This was a lot less than the $2 billion fine that the SEC had asked for. More importantly, the judge did not give the SEC's request for an injunction against selling XRP to institutional investors. This meant that Ripple could continue to grow in the US. A part of this decision was seen as a win for Ripple, but there is still the chance of an appeal. The SEC has until the beginning of October to decide if it will move forward. This has put investors and the market as a whole on edge. Stuart Alderati, Ripple's top legal officer, is not sure if an appeal will be successful. Alderati said that the SEC's past actions in crypto cases make it seem like they might not. The doubt is made worse by the fact that the Office of Inspector General is still looking into possible conflicts of interest at the SEC, especially those involving William Hinman, who used to be director of the SEC. Hinman, who was very important in the Ripple case, has been accused of bias because he is said to have gotten millions of dollars from the SEC, where he used to work. What this study means is very important. If the OAG sees signs of bias or conflicts of interest, it could make the SEC's case even weaker and change the outcome of any possible appeal. These kinds of results could also cast a long shadow over the way cryptocurrencies are regulated in the US. This could lead to calls for reform or changes in how the SEC handles cases involving cryptocurrencies. The story doesn't end there either. In fact, it's only just begun. The number of experts who think XRP Ripple will soon skyrocket to $100 or even higher is through the roof. The most positive sign we've ever seen could be here. What's next is something you won't want to miss. I promise it will blow your mind. So people are talking more about XRP Ripple on social media, and analysts are pointing to a possible rise that could send the cryptocurrency to all-time highs. By XRP Captain and XRP Bull Run starts by iMonix are getting people excited. There's more to this story than just the tweets and posts. Now that the price of XRP is going sideways, it has reached a crucial point. Many people think this is the calm before the storm. An experienced expert named Javon Marks says that XRP is almost ready to make a big move. Marks says that all it would take is a small 3.4% increase in the price of XRP to break out of a trend that has been in place for 2,424 days. Since its very first big rise in value in 2017, this trend has kept the cryptocurrency in check. Marks points out a long-term symmetrical triangle shape that has been going on since that bull run and says there's a huge chance for a breakout. He also says we're on the verge of a bullish wave unlike anything seen in years. Is getting close to the top of this symmetrical triangle, which is a key technical point that could cause a big move. The effects will be huge if this breakout happens. Mark thinks that a measured move goal based on how high the consolidation is could make the price of XRP go up by more than 42,000%. You read that right, 42,000%. This would make XRP worth an amazing $262 more than it is now, marking an amazing rise that brings to mind the huge gains seen in 2017. To be more realistic, Marks thinks that if XRP can break out of its current pattern, it could reach a price goal of $15 to $18. This would mean a possible 20% gain. But that's not all. Marks thinks that XRP could hit more than $100, which is more than 20 times its current price, if the market goes through a full logarithmic scale. At the same time, an expert who goes by the name Mac Attack has made comparisons to how XRP did during the 2017 bull run. At that time, XRP went from being worth less than a cent to almost $4, a rise of over 76,000%. According to MacAttack, XRP prices could hit as high as $456 if the coin performs similarly during the next bull run in 2024 and 2025. It's important to keep in mind that the crypto market is typically unstable. Things that don't seem likely one day can happen the next. The buzz isn't just among experts. People on social media sites like X are very excited because they think XRP might be about to start another bull run. Online, most people are optimistic, and a lot of them think XRP will be a big part of the next big market bounce. And it's no surprise that everyone who owns XRP Ripple is excited about this bullish hint. But here's something you might not have seen coming. The whales, yes, the big players in the market are also getting involved and buying up hundreds of millions of XRP Ripple coins. This might be the big deal that makes our favorite coin soar to new heights. Believe me, what's going on behind the scenes will amaze you. Traders and analysts are both very interested in the huge whale trades that have been making the XRP market very lively. Recently, there was a lot going on. Over $113 million worth of XRP was moved between wallets and platforms, which made people wonder what this could mean for the future of the cryptocurrency. In one of the most important transfers, an unknown wallet sent more than 102 million XRP, which is worth about $61 million, to another unknown wallet. This kind of large-scale transfer is important because it shows that major holders, who are often called whales, might change their approach. These whales are usually people or businesses that have a lot of Bitcoin and trade it all the time. Their trading has a big effect on market trends. To make things even more interesting, over 26 million XRP, which is worth more than $15 million, were sent to the crypto market Bitso in Mexico. The same amount of XRP 26 million was sent to the European exchange Bitstamp. People are surprised by these actions, especially since they show more whale activity in the market at a time when analysts are already saying that the price of XRP could go up. Whales are one of a kind and often make or break the Bitcoin markets. It can send shockwaves through the whole market when large amounts of a digital product like XRP are moved. On the one hand, these changes can show that people are confident in the asset, which can make more people want to buy it, which can cause the price to rise. If whales are seen sending large amounts of XRP to exchanges, on the other hand, it could be seen as a sign that they are about to sell, which could cause smaller buyers to sell in a panic. The first transfer of 102 million XRP, on the other hand, doesn't necessarily mean a sale in the recent XRP deals. Instead, it could be a strategic move to move stocks around or get ready for a market move that is expected. The changes to Bitso and Bitstamp could mean that people are selling, but they could also be setting the stage for future market moves that aren't clear yet. The market is greatly affected by whales because they can greatly change prices through their trades. When a whale buys or sells a lot of XRP, it can cause other people to do the same, where other players either do the same thing or react to what they think the market is doing. For example, if these recent transactions really are the start of a big buy-up, the rise in demand could push XRP prices up, adding to the positive mood that has been growing around the cryptocurrency. And now the only question is, what do you think about that? What do you think about the XRP Ripple token? What do you think will happen? Please tell me in the comments. Would be interested to know. This video has now come to an end. Thanks for seeing it. Thank you for reading. If you liked it, please click the like button, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and most importantly, don't forget to follow.